Na-meet ko po ang Herbalife 9 years ago. O, diba? So, napaka-amazing na experience. At ang invitation po sa akin, no, try mo lang. Tignan nyo lang how Herbalife Nutrition can help you and your family. Please take note po, no, yung event na spectacular. Ako po ay a full-time employee, no, that time. At may part-time po akong negosyo, no. So, ako po ay part-time makeup artist. Alright, so yun po siya. Na-excite. Okay, so yun po. So, I got started with the nutrition club. Doon po ako naalagaan for the first 10 days kasama yung aking asawa na negative, no? And after that, ang ganda ng naging results, ang ganda ng pakiramdam, nag-improve yung energy level, as in sobra. Pati dun sa digestive health, maganda po siya, no? Tapos, ang pinaka magandang gift din is yung sa improvement talaga no, sa reproductive health po, no? Sobrang amazing yan. So after 9 years of waiting, nagkaroon din kami ng Herbalife baby. No? Ang pinakamasaya po doon, we just got started as a customer. Very, ano po, no, very comfortable na kami sa aming mga trabaho. Like, particularly ako po, no, especially din dun sa income, no. However, dahil sobrang nagustuhan namin yung product and because of spectacular na na-attendan din po namin, everything changed. Grabe. We saw the bigger picture kung ano yung mission ng company, the purpose of the company. It is actually doing something na mas may deeper purpose po. So sobrang ano lang, sobrang ang ganda, no? Tapos ano pa, nag-start kami customer po and gusto po naming maka-discount ng mas malaki that time. Okay, as in yun po yung ano nun. Gusto namin maka-discount ng mas malaki that time. So, we go for the supervisor position. Line of 2 yung ginawa po namin. May friend po ako. So, kaming dalawa yung magkatulong nun. Kaya naging supervisor kami sabay. Ganyan po siya. Kaya lang, yun nga, sabi ko, wow, ano pala, ito po, yung sa Herbalife, no? Yung palang pagiging supervisor, grabe, yan pala yung gateway mo para ma-unlock mo lahat, no? Yung opportunities and benefits bilang isang Herbalife member. So, ang ganda, yung leadership skills, yung mga leadership training, yung mga international training, no? So, nakapunta na rin kami ng Hong Kong, Singapore, si husband sa Thailand pa yan, no? Nag-attend nung event na extravaganza, next year naman din po yun, no? So, amazing lang po talaga ang Herbalife Nutrition. And ano po, full-time mom na po ako ngayon. Yun yung isa sa naging desisyon. Bakit ko din, ba't nag-resign na ako sa work ko? 2015, no? Nag-resign na po ako. Bakit? Ano po iba pala talaga. Yung mabigyan ka ni Lord ng another chance to really become a full-time mom and be a hands-on mom. No? So, yun po yung pinagpapasalamat ko din kay Lord. Ayan. So, that's why I really love Herbalife Nutrition. And by the way, ano po din, no, yung last 3 months income po namin doing this sa Nutrition Club. And of course, may online din po ako na mga kino-coach. Ang income po namin is more than 100,000. So, sobrang ano po talaga, grateful po sa Herbalife. Ayan, sige. May isa pa pala, nakakabait po dito. Huwag niyo pong kakalimutan yan. Yung Sunday topic natin, ha? Sige. So, let me proceed. Ayan. So, ang ganda ng topic. Ito na, holiday season na po tayo, no? Baka hindi natin mapigilan ang ating mga sarili na mabuntis. Joke lang. Kasi abdominal fat po pag-uusapan natin, ha? So, male and female, abdominal fat, nutrition-wise, number 20. Ayan. Kay Dr. David Heber po ito galing. Okay, may mga additional po pala ako dito. Please take note of this. Take a screenshot. Very important. No, ito pong cdc.gov. Alright, it's a Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. So, I think yun yung isa sa, sa deeper purpose then why we do Herbalife is really to help people. Yung tinatawag nating hashtag longevity, no, hashtag active aging, no, mga ganyan po yung ano natin yan, prevention. Ayan. Sige po. So, eto po tayo. May naka-note dito, di ba? Si both men and women, eto po madalas po yan. Okay. Nakita nyo yung shape ng katawan, ano? Kita nyo yung shape. Ayan. Ano po yung pinaka-prominent? Yung na-observe nyo kaagad. Diba? Di po ba dito sa may belly area? No? So actually yan po ang lumalaki sa atin kapag ka po tayo ay kumakain ng more than, no? Dun sa more calories no? Doon sa capacity ng katawan natin. Okay, sa lalaki, more on sa waist po sila. Okay, yan sabi nga ni Dr. David dyan, ni Dr. Heber, no? Ito yung first fat na nagiging natin pag nag-overeat, no? O kaya nag-other exercise, total hindi tayo nag-workout. And of course, yan din yung first fat na lulose natin sa weight loss program. No, pagka po mayroon tayong tinatawag na pear shape, apple shape, 'di ba may mga ganyan po tayo, no? So, yung apple yung nakapula na babae, yan apple shape yan. So, papansin niyo, pag ganun yung shape ng katawan, nasa belly area yung pag-gain niya. Meron din naman pear shape po, no, pear. So, sa babae po ito, mas marami ang weight dito sa may balakang. Okay? So, yan po siya. Ngayon, ang hindi po magandang balita, di ba minsan nagjo-joke-joke tayo, may belt bag ka dyan, ganyan, di ba? Ilang buwan na yan, di ba? But you know what, guys? Ano pala, one of the realizations din na realize ko dito, di pala din talaga natin to, alam mo yun, dinadaan sa joke. No, bakit? Because this abdominal fat attracts white blood cells from the bone marrow as it grows, causing inflammation. So pag ganyan po pala, there's really an ongoing na nangyayari dun sa loob, no? May inflammation po. Right? Ganyan po siya, ha? So, kung nakita ninyo yung tatlong picture dito, di ba? Yung isa, konti lang yung fat niya, no? Tama po siya. Yung isa, medium, tapos yung isa, high. So, that's why, pag nagpa-assess kayo dun sa Tanita with your wellness coaches, no? Sa mga nutrition club or kaharap ninyo, please do not disregard yung babasahin nila sa inyo na body fat index. Okay, at saka yung visceral fat because those things are really serious stuff no pagdating po sa health. Ayan, sige. Ngayon, eto na. Galing to kay Centers for Disease. Alright? Iano ko lang po tatakpan yung aking slide. Sige. Galing to sa Centers for Disease. Yung excessive abdominal fat may be serious because it places us, you, your family member, anyone you know, your loved one, no, at greater risk for developing obesity-related conditions, okay? Such as type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and coronary artery disease. Okay? Picturean nyo po yan. Yan yung source natin. Okay. Tapos ito pa, our waistline or your waistline may be telling you that you have a higher risk of developing obesity-related conditions. If you are, ito po siya ha, take note. Example, coach, wala po talagang tanita dito. No problem. Get a tape measure. Okay? Get a tape measure. Okay? Pagka po sa lalaki, yung waist circumference is more than 40 inches, yan. So you are at higher risk. Okay? Pagka naman po hindi ka buntis, you're a non-pregnant woman, okay, whose waist circumference is more than 35 inches. Alright? So yan po yan ha. Ano po kayo prone doon sa pag-develop ng obesity-related diseases. Okay, ngayon, Coach Tim, paano po ba i-measure correctly yung waist circumference natin? Ayan na po guys, may picture po tayo dyan. Alright, so kindly take a picture of this and do this at home. Gawin nating homework yan. No? Sabi nga, may step by step po siya. Okay, hindi ko na po siya, hindi ko na siya isa-isahin. Pero, take note lang din po, meron nakalagay dito, number 3, I like to highlight it. Keep the tape snug around the waist but not compressing the skin. Alam mo, hindi gumagalaw-galaw at hindi din naman sobrang higpit, no? Number 4, measure your waist just after you breathe out. That's why, di ba pagka si coach mismo nagtimbang sa inyo o nag-measure niya, sasabihin sa inyo, inhale, exhale. Alright? So, dun sa breathe out, dun po, yun po yung tamang pagkuha ng waist. Alright? Alright. So, anong goal? The goal is really get rid of that abdominal fat. Alright? So ngayon, sabi ni Dr. David Heber, how can we do that? No, we can do that through balanced nutrition and healthy, active lifestyle. Okay? It can help us lose abdominal fat at syempre, ma-reduce yung inflammation. Ayun po siya, ha? Okay. Now, let us watch this video. May share lang po akong video.
We don't always examine what we eat every day. We may not realize our food choices could be hurting our health. I'm Dr. Luigi Grodin, here to share the power of good nutrition and show you how simple choices can make you healthier. It all starts with having balanced nutrition. Essentially, that means 40% carbohydrates, 30% protein, and 30% healthy fats. Don't forget to add in fiber and stay hydrated. Carbohydrates are your body's preferred source of fuel, and many of them are packed with nutrients. Vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and dairy products are the best sources of carbs. Protein supports your immune system and helps build and maintain lean muscles. You can get protein from meats, fish, poultry, eggs, soybeans, quinoa, and peas. Fats are essential too. Avoid the unhealthy saturated kind and go for that fat that'll protect your heart. You can find healthy fats in salmon, avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Remember, good nutrition is a choice. Choose Herbalife Nutrition.
Ayun no, so nutrition is a choice ha. Choose Herbalife Nutrition tayo dyan. Okay. Yung po nagsalita na yan guys, don't miss it. Makaka-face to face natin yan. Sa January po, nakabili na ba kayo ng ticket nyo? Don't miss it guys, as in si Dr. Luigi Graton. Ayan. Ito po, sabi din dito ni Dr. David Heber, you can't lose abdominal fat with diet alone. Okay, take note of that lang din po, no? Kasi, syempre, di ba, usually, meron talaga tayong excuse na ay coach, okay talaga, wala talaga akong time to exercise. No, okay na po ako na nagsishake po ako. Okay na po to, nagka-cut down na po ako, nagka-calorie, na po ako. Counting, no, ganyan. But please take note po, no? We promote balance po, no? Balance na healthy and active lifestyle po. Sabi niya dyan, you must exercise to burn it off, no, while building up your muscle. Yun yung pinakamaganda. Hindi ka lang nagbe-burn ng fats, no? We also want to make sure, di ba, na nakakapag-build up din po tayo ng muscle. Ayan, sige. So, paano? Siyempre po, kami po ang community na we are not, parang puro problema. Diba? We are a solution-driven community. That's why I really love Virtual Nutrition Club. I really love Herbalife Nutrition, ng Herbalife community, this Nutrition Club. Meron po tayo, guys, great news to ha. Amazing libreng workout po to. Okay, sa Zoom. Meron tayo with Samantha Clayton. She is our fitness director. Every Tuesday po yan. Ang bandang 8:00 yan. Meron din tayo every Thursday with Coach Louie, Coach Melba, Coach Chow. So, grabe yan. Don't miss that one. Okay? Sige po. At syempre, for those naman, Coach, di ako nakapanood. Meron pa po ba? Diba? So, meron actually tayong group, no? Yung sa I Can, I Will, I Must. Please go back to the coach who invited you or nag-aalaga po sa inyo. Pero meron din po tayo, guys. Mag-subscribe kayo dun sa YouTube ng Herbalife. Grabe yan. Ang ganda. Sa fitness, kayo pumili ano yung goal nyo. Do you want the strength, endurance kayo? May mga general fitness tips po tayo dyan. Ano pa yung maganda po dito? Sa Herbalife po, yung mga exercises natin are based on sports science. O, di ba? Lahat po yan. Pati yung pagkain natin. Diba? Kaya safe po talaga yung mga exercises na meron tayo. No? Pati yung mga pinagkakakain natin ng Herbalife food. Ayan. Ayan po. At syempre, we are always proud to say, and ako po personally, sobrang joyful ako to really have this badges that we have. We are #1 in the world in meal replacement and protein supplements combined, weight management and well-being, di ba? Yun nga, sabi natin, di lang pagbubuwas ng timbang, talagang holistic approach natin. Tapos ito pa, active and lifestyle nutrition. Alright? And of course, Herbalife po has been recognized as super brand in the Philippines, no? As in, say yes to good nutrition po tayo. Ayan. And for those, I'd like to take this opportunity also, yung mga go for the face-to-face. We have a face-to-face event na bukas na announce na yan. Diba? So see you there. Nasa BGC kami. Ayan. So with that being said, thank you. Back to you, Coach Jim.